Alright, everybody, we are currently in the barn. We just got down here, and we are getting everybody taken care of. So there's the old escape artist, or Stinky, or Smelly, or whatever else nickname he's come up with about him smelling bad. But we are down here at the barn and getting everybody taken care of on this Sunday morning. And now we are about to get everybody fed real quick. But right now we're just kind of getting all this done. Me and Hannah, Riley's in her bassinet. Hannah's up there at the house cooking some breakfast right now. And so we are getting everybody taken care of. I need you to get down. Yeah, I need you to get down. Ow, your horns hurt. Girl, your horns hurt. Ow. You are a spoiled brat. You are a spoiled brat. Spoiled brat. Oh my gosh, get out of the trough. Yeah, you're gonna hurt yourself because you did that. Well, why can I not get that to come up? Hey, can you move? Mo. Get out of the trough. Get out of the trough. Oh my gosh. Okay, finally got her to get out of the dang trough. But right now we're just getting everybody in troughs cleaned out. There's my pile of old hay and stuff that we cleaned out of the barn and feed because of getting all of this feed that they haven't ate cleaned out. But right now we're just getting all this. No, get out of the trough. Dude, get out of the trough. Dude. Girl, get out. Girl, get out. Get out of the trough. Oh my gosh, can I get it? Nope, because you haven't turned it. You are pinning my butt right now. I only have one hand. Can you get out of the... Ow. No. Can I get it? Before you do anything. Oh my gosh, thank goodness that cowboy came in here and distracted you for about 2 or 3 seconds.